While I have the Screencastify editor open and a clip selected, I may want to use the zoom tool. So first I have to select a clip. I'll select this first one. Once I have the clip selected, I move the playhead to where I'd like the zoom to be. So maybe I'll zoom here. I click on the zoom tool. I can go ahead and resize with any of these corner handles. Click and hold to resize, or use the hand to move to the portion that I'd like to highlight, zoom in on. And then when I'm done, I click off of it. And here I've created this zoom in effect. If I want the zoom to last longer, notice I still have these extension handles. I can grab those. If you want further control, zoom in on the timeline. And now when I look here, if I play, this next tool is the pen tool. I click on it. I can go ahead. Here's our zoom in for the pen, and I can point things out here and zoom back out. If that zoom wasn't long enough, I just click on the extend handles, pull it as long as I'd like.